Today, we are going to teach you how to do an overhead press. The vertical press is one of the most challenging upper body movements for people to do correctly, which is why we want to teach you how to do it right. I'm Corey Boggs, personal trainer at Bennett Fitness.
I'm Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of Bennett Fitness. I've also been a personal trainer for 20 years. Here at Bennett Fitness, we are all about helping you with your goal on your fitness journey, whatever those goals are. So if that's nutritional, we have nutritional videos. We also have exercise tip videos just like this one. We have workout classes, but check those out after this video. Let's jump right into it.
So to begin, I'm not even gonna have Brad pick up any weights. We wanna make sure that he has proper posture before he even pushes anything overhead. So he's gonna turn sideways towards me so you can see what this looks like. I'm gonna have him stand in what I call military posture, meaning his head is tall, his chest is slightly puffed out, he has a natural curvature with his spine. We wanna make sure your core is engaged as well. Thinking of your ribs slightly tucked down, almost like you might get sucker punched. Brad, am I gonna punch you in the gut? He's gonna be prepared. But also I want to make sure when you do that, sometimes people end up wanting to tuck your pelvis under. When they engage their core, they'll tuck their pelvis under with that really unnatural curvature. So your core is engaged, slight curvature with the hips out, and then nice standing firmly through the ground. So, Brad, do you feel like you have good military posture?
Yes.
Great, let's pick up those weights. So he's gonna face you now, since you know what the posture is supposed to look like, and he's gonna pull the weights up to his shoulders with his elbows slightly forward. With those elbows slightly forward, you're kind of screwing forward to activate those lats behind you, because it's not just shoulders. We wanna really work through the scapula and everything as well. So as he presses up, he's gonna press his arms in line with his ears, slightly pushing his body through his arms and come back down. Okay, Brad, I want you to turn sideways now so they can see what that looks like up and through. So as he presses up, his T-spine presses through his arms so his arms are in line with his ears and back down. So let's do press up another one. We're really making sure that we have at the top, stay there, Brad, his core is engaged, his hips are slightly out, and then his arms are in line with the ears. Slowly come down. Perfect. Okay, Brad, you can set those down. We're gonna do a little trick that I like to try with people to make sure that they press up and through properly. Brad's gonna put on his baseball cap, and he's gonna grab what I like to call the baby bell. It's like the silly, fun, tiny bell, but it works. So Brad, let's widen those arms a little bit. So he's gonna start, before he presses up, the same type of thing that we talked about. So he has tall posture, his elbows are slightly screwed forward to engage those lats, and don't press up yet. When he presses up, you're gonna make sure he does not hit that baseball cap off his head. So press up and through, Brad. Good, notice now, perfect alignment all the way through. Let's do about 3 reps, Brad. You can show what that looks like. Awesome, look at that great posture. Remember, we're not arching our back, our core is engaged. And one more. Look at that, Brad's a pro presser. He even has some shoulder problems, but we've been working on this. So it looked really great. Hopefully you learned some tips on overhead pressing. You can go home and practice it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or it felt uncomfortable or maybe it really helped you out. We'd love to hear from you guys. Check out some of our other videos and we'll see you next time.